going on, guys? This is Jake. Today I'm going to be doing the song Floaty from Foo Fighters off their self-titled 1995 album. This is a song that's been requested a few times. I had it on the channel at one point, but I took it down and just wanted to redo it. The tuning, it's going to be in standard EADGBE. That's the tuning. We're going to do a little playthrough and then we'll break the chords down. Here we go. So that was me trying to play it at speed, close to speed of the record. That's set at about 144 beats per minute, if anybody would like to try to play to the track. Yeah, so we'll start with the first couple of chords in the verse. The first chord is an E major 7 with no third. It's a pretty transparent chord. You can sort of move that up and down the neck and play it in many different spots. So that E major 7 with no third, that's on the 7th fret of the A string, my index finger. You move that back, this entire like shape, you move it back 2 frets. So now that your index finger would be on the 5th fret. This is going to be a D major 7, sustained 2, add 6. Your 6, the B, and then the 2 would be the E. Now you're going to move that back again to the 3rd fret of the A string now. Again, you're keeping the same pattern. You're just moving it back 2 frets. And you're going to play a C major 7 chord. And the last chord is an A sustained 2. All right, so for the chorus, it starts out pretty easy. It's just a regular E chord in the first position. So during that E chord, there's like a little overdub. where there's a little like almost like a country slide kind of guitar riff, and I'll show you how to play it right now. So here we go. That's how it sounds fast. Okay, so for the rest of the chorus, you got a G sharp 5 chord, which is just a power chord. It's on the 4th fret right here. Move that over to an A5, that's just 1 fret further down the neck. And then you're going to play a, so let's demonstrate both of those. Then you got the A5. Then you got a what's called a C sharp 5 with the G sharp in the bass. So let's play that together slowly. All right, so the last part of the song, you have the bridge. That's going to be a pretty simple chord configuration as well. I'm playing the, starting right off the bat, I'm going to play a B5 with an F sharp in the bass, right here. Slide over to a D5 with an A in the bass. Play it again. Play that G sharp 5 again. Then you play an E major first position, then back to the G sharp. So let's play that slowly. And you do that little country slide lick at the very end. So that's it for Floaty. It's a pretty straightforward song. If anybody would like to reach out to me on the channel, you can do so through my comments. If you want to see more Foo Fighters lessons, just give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think, and we can maybe get some other songs going. Thanks for watching, guys.